You like your alphabets? What's next? Ah, but careful kay matusok ka ng... sige na. Alphabetical order, dyan na pag-it na. Op. F na sa?
Oh my goodness.
No, no.
This is such not good.
You like it?
There's blue.
What's next?
Don't squeeze it.
No.
Huh? That means
F na
that.
next.
No.
How about you skip? You eat the letter U.
What's your name? V.
V. Okay, eat the letter V. Eat the letter V.
U.
U. Sige, eat the letter U.
Z.
What's next? What's next? G. Di good ma-skip, no? How about letter H first? Can you eat the letter H first? Sige na. No. What's next? G, good na? How about letter H?
Whoa. Mommy!
Love it? Slow bat. Mumukibot. Tarong. Tarong.
Go away.
What is next?
Go to ant. Go to ant.
Di ba na ant ka? What's next? I na? Sige, eat the letter I.
Hello.
Dili. Unsa may next?
Let's play Happy Yak.
H.
Macaroni. Oh, it is a boy. It fell down.
H fell down.
Yeah.
Look. It stood up.
It fell down.
Na.
Mommy.
Okay, love you.